My name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. So what I want to do is to paint them. I don't know yet if I'm going to paint the bottle tops. So I may leave them black. But what I'm going to do first, I am going to paint the bottles black using the acrylic black paint, and I'm about out of this, and I am going to finish them up with this. Okay, I may do 2 coats to get the full coverage of my bottles, and then once the paint dries, I am going to paint over it with this white chalk paint. Okay, and it is by Waverly, if you can see that. And these are Anita's all-purpose acrylic paint. And this one is Apple Barrel, and it is in black. And also acrylic. It is a matte paint. And I think this is matte as well. Yeah, I think this is matte as well. So let's get started. I may not be doing any talking. I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, let's get started. First, I am going to remove the bottle caps. Maple syrup bottles, you guys. I'm going to mix it up here. Hello everybody, I am back. My bottles has dried a little, but not quite totally dry. But before I put the chalk paint on it, I will let it sit overnight and do it, you know, finish up tomorrow. So it's not quite all dried, so I want to kind of smooth it out. So let me put some paint down. Hello everybody, I am back. This is the next day. I let my bottles dry, which I painted them in an acrylic black paint, okay? And what I am going to do is to cover this in a white chalk paint. And this is by Waverly, as I mentioned earlier. So let's begin. So I am going to use my sponge brush. Hello you guys, I am back. My bottles has dried and it is chalk paint on top of black paint. And I like the crackling effect in it. See how it is, the crackling effect? And I was going to distress it a little bit, but I would not add a second coat on it. And I have a piece of sandpaper and I am going to distress it. So I want the black. I want to try to get the black to show instead of me, sandpapering, away the paint to show a clear glass, and I don't want that. So I'm going to try to do my best. I want it like this. See, the black is showing through. That's what I'm trying to get. This is it. I'm going to replace the caps back on the bottles. And I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with these. This is the look that I wanted. Okay, I don't know. Later I may put some greenery over in the top, take the cap off and put some greenery in it, or maybe a flower. I may do a little writing on it. I'm not sure, but right now I'm just going to put it in my kitchen window for right now, I think. But we shall see. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned and be blessed. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.